Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment within South Africa. Looking to enhance your soundbar even more? Then I have just the tip for you. So let's get straight into this video without wasting further more time. So what you want to do is download the LG ThinQ app available on Google Play Store and iOS. Once downloaded, open the application, then click the plus sign, then audio, then a soundbars, and you'll find a soundbar list available. You want to click the soundbar that you own and add it to your homepage. Once successfully added to the ThinQ app, click this soundbar. Then once you're in the soundbar page, you want to scroll down to sound settings. Here you'll be able to adjust the decibel level for your subwoofer level, your center speaker level, as well as your rear speaker level. Head out of that, then go down to tone settings. Here you'll be able to adjust the decibel levels for your treble, bass, and mid. Again guys, the way you're going to enhance your speaker is going to be according to your preference. So while you're enhancing it, listen to the sound that you'd like to listen to. And once you get that optimum audio, that's the settings you're going to be saved onto the soundbar. And no matter the device that connects to it in the future, it'll always give you that enhanced, optimized audio according to your liking. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope now you know how to enhance your soundbar using the LG ThinQ app available on iOS and Google Play Store. And as always guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.